To the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my stable like horse routine. I'm just gonna put it in the description. So let's start the video. Here's me walking. Now show you the horses. So this is Vanilla. Oh, hi, Vanilla. You are the cutest horse I've ever seen. Anyways, now, let me show you to the other horse, which is actually right here. Okay, so I have to whisper for this one because she's sleeping right now. Anyways, her name is Cake, and yeah. I'm gonna right now ride with Vanilla and yeah. Come out, Vanilla. Oh, hi. Oh, Vanilla, I actually have to go and go fetch the brush to brush you now. I'm coming back. Oh, and this is Aubrey's horse. She just sleepwalk with her eyes open. That's how weird she is. Don't mind that girl over there. Hey. You cut that. I'm taking off the brush right now. Okay, now let's brush you. Oh, you like your new style? Why is her arms moving like that, bro? Everybody, did you see that? Oh yes, and you really love your new hair, don't ya? Don't mind my sister laughing. Anyways, here's me brushing her. Okay, I think we can put the brush just on here. And now let me ride you. Okay, Vanilla, let's go. And then, why did you stop? Ooh. Okay, I'm riding Vanilla right now. Now, let's go to the other side, Vanilla. Anyways, so here is me. Vanilla's taking me somewhere where I really want to go. Here are the cows, and I now have to milk them. And the other one has took the stain of grass. And now he's getting a big bag. this will actually take a while, so I'll actually go and like get the rope and stuff in here. So this looks like the rest of the animals. Let me just go to the point. Anyway, I'm just gonna go here. Now I also have to like brush all of the cows. Here's cow 1, here's cow 2, buddies, please stay. Here's cow 5, here's cow 3, who's also not standing. 7, 12. Okay, Marshmallow, you are actually the last cow, and yeah. Geez, you look tired. I mean, you can sleep in your stable now. Okay, night, Marshmallow. Anyways. Oh no, Peppadoo. What's wrong? Bro. You are always sneaking. Now you come on top of my head because you do not stay still. Look, everybody, I just knew that we could do this. I never actually do that now. Jeez. Okay, Okay, Peppadoo, you can eat here. And I'll go and get some eggs. Che and Leela, no fighting. Come on, girl. Here you go. Anyways. Oh, Sylvia, what are you doing here? You look like you've been sleeping all night. Please don't do that again. You always do that. Buddy, and you and your friends? Jeez. Okay, I think you can stand here. Move! Please, buddy, you slept here 24/7 and this is the hen house. Now go. Anyways, don't mind him. He's just a big bag. Okay. Okay, you can sleep on this. No, that will do you. Well, why did we do this? Anyways, bye, stories. This will be the end of today's video. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, Thursday is one of the chickens fighting again.